Hello everyone, welcome to the best product review channel on YouTube. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we analyze hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guide and check out the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, without any delay, let's get started.
In this video we break down the top 5 best camping shovel you can buy right now. We made this list based on performance, features of the product, value for money, manufacturer's reputation and most importantly actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best camping shovel on the market this year. Before we start, I have a question for you guys. Which camping shovel are you currently using, and which one you recommend? Let me know in the comment. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is Rhino Folding Survival Shovel. This excellent hiking shovel comes with the robust Rhino folding shovel. Its sturdy design includes carbon steel, which is designed to be rust-free. This Rhino folding shovel features an extremely light design, making it a sturdy multi-tool that can be used to start fires, bottle opener, hoe saw and fish scaler, whistle, and many more. The shovel is able to extend by up to 31 inches. It features adjustable handles to fit your height, without having to bend much. The design can be collapsed to as little as 7 inches, making it easy carrying in your back. It comes with a powerful pickaxe that can assist you in breaking open any hard surface to shovel. The shovel's head can be turned 90 degrees to serve as a hoe too. For details, let's watch more. Our second best camping shovel is SOG entrenching tool. The multi-use shovel folds down to be barely bigger than your hand. 10 inches in length when folded, it takes up about the same space as a stack of paper plates. A needed tool that is easy to pack and takes up no space in your backpack or camp kit. Lightweight foldable outdoor, hunting, military shovel is versatile to get the job done. E-tool features a wood saw edge to cut or chop small branches and trees for kindling or fire building. Super durable to handle the long list of jobs the shovel was designed to handle in extreme conditions. Dig through dirt, sand, gravel, mud, and snow with the tempered steel blade. The triangular handle is strong and fits the hand well for optimal use when digging, trenching, cutting, or slashing. Hand shovel collapses into a portable outdoor shovel, emergency shovel, and hiking shovel. The rotating spade blade can be adjusted to act as a pick or hoe. Ultimate camp tool to dig fire pits, bury waste, or trench drainage lines. E-tools are designed to move heavy loads and take a good kicking while doing it. SOG uses high-quality steel and a rugged build to ensure your e-tool is as portable and powerful as possible. Number 3 in our list is Overmont Military Folding Camping Shovel. If you are looking for an affordable shovel that is strong and high quality, this shovel is sturdy and durable. It has a high carbon steel construction, and the head is heat treated at 42 to 46 degrees for maximum strength and hardness. It's also lightweight at 2.5 pounds and can be tri-folded into a compact shape, measuring 15 by 24 centimeters. Overmont military shovel weighs only 1.12 kilograms. Equipped with a portable storage bag, which can be hung on the waist, lightweight and easy to carry. Our heavy-duty folding shovel can be used for digging, sawing, hammering and cutting at either straight or a 90 degrees angle as a shovel, hoe, pick or saw. Featured with a 1.5 mm thick blade that can easily crush gravel, Overmont emergency shovel is your vital necessity and a good helper for outdoor activities like camping, tenting, climbing, expedition, traveling, gardening, scientific research, etc. Fourth recommendation in our side is COZ Mini Folding Shovel. The COZ Mini Folding Shovel is the perfect addition to your camping equipment. Its ergonomic design ensures that you can dig into the most challenging surfaces easily. Carbon steel is a premium grade material that is heated to ensure that it is able to handle the heat from the campfire easily. The mini folding design also provides resistance to rust and isn't damaged while digging. This sturdy tool is perfect to use for digging, shoveling, cutting, sawing, and encroaching. The compact and flexible style showcased with the COZ shovel folds down to an overall length of 11.8 inches, and an 4.7 inches broad shovel head which can increase the amount of dirt you can go through. The handy shovel can be used to do beach shoveling, trowels for camping, as well as for digging off-road essentials. The cutting blade is thick and has an extremely durable design that is able to dig through the gravel-filled soil found in gardens, backyards, farms and similar areas. Last in our top 5 best camping shovel list is Harvett Folding Survival Shovel. This entrenching tool is equipped with many functions such as digging, trenching, hoeing, cutting, pickaxe, saw, etc. With the serrated edge on the shovel board, you can cut through whatever is in your way: tough roots, packed dirt, hard ice, etc. What a versatile tool for all off-roading enthusiasts. For daily use, this shovel can also be used as garden shovel, snow shovel and trench shovel. Super durable for a mini shovel, pack it into its small shovel case and carry it on your backpack or belt. This shovel is 22.8 inches at full length, but when folded the size of this shovel is only 9.4 by 5.5 inches, very convenient to use and carry wherever your next job or adventure takes you. The ergonomic and anti-slip handle with black powder coat finish makes this shovel very comfortable to hold while using. Military Tactical Shovel. Our factory is a real supplier for military tools. Our product designer are well know the features of a military tools and is well experienced on military grade producing crafts.